Welcome back to another episode of Gulpers TV. Yeah, that has to be.
That can't be dead though. I mean, that's all green.
That has to be a lightning bird though, right? Look at it, it looks burnt. Yeah. Someone cut our tree down last night. Got a big storm. Gonna go fishing here. There's water coming out of places where water should not be coming out of. We got 4 inches of rain yesterday. Like, check this out, you guys. That's completely underwater. Oh my gosh. This might be the most flooded over I've ever seen this place. I can't believe this. There's probably like fish in here. Probably shouldn't have wore white shorts. Might have to roll those babies up a little bit. Oh my gosh. I can't even get through here. But I see, you guys, this is all underwater. How deep is this?
It's not deep. I can walk to you right now.
I should have worn my swimsuit. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hey, how come there's not any golfers? What? How? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh. Dude, I wouldn't be surprised if there's fish in here.
I know, but you really can't fish.
Have we had any luck otherwise?
No, I've only had one fish.
What'd you catch?
I had a snake and I was pulling it out of the water. And right when I was pulling it out of the water, the one that picked up for it.
Dang. Guys. What the heck? We've officially made this a 2v2 bass fishing challenge. It is Ben Potts and Nolan versus me and Jake in the Bass Factory, which is no longer a Bass Factory, it's like a river. But anything over a pound counts. May the best fisherman win.
Don't tell anyone.
I might just throw in a Ned rig or something if this doesn't work.
I don't know what the hell a net rig is. You always talk about it.
Well, we are Texas rig family over here, aren't we? Always like to throw as a Texas.
I don't.
Alright, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to find the rocks.
I'll come in with you, Tony.
I found it. There's no way.
No! You son of a bitch!
Look at Nolan. Look at Nolan down there.
Hey, stop! Here!
It's like 11 pounds! It's like 13!
Oh my god! That's our fish! Dude, it's these
It ate both of them!
Yeah, both of ours! And then look at
Oh my gosh!
Tony, look at this!
Wait.
Look at this, you guys!
Pull it over to
It's both
shore.
of ours.
Pull it over to
It's
shore.
both. Come on, look at that!
We get the points.
Let me. Okay, no.
We both get the points.
Wait, let me just get
Dude,
this
that's a
thing.
big fish,
That's
too.
like a 3-pounder.
We were never
Just dump it out of the net. Dump it out of
No,
the net.
we were snagged, and then all of a sudden, I felt something hit mine.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this fish.
Wait,
you out of the net?
yours isn't hooked
Someone
up.
here.
Is yours hooked up?
Yeah,
Yes,
they
mine's
both are.
hooked.
Look at
Mine's hooked more though, so that's our
Look
Oh
at
my
shut
gosh.
up, Ben.
Honestly.
Dude, this is insane.
I don't, dude.
Just stop.
I've never
Stop.
seen
I'll
that
get it. I'll
happen.
get it.
Dude, we're gonna
I'll
be
get it. Relax.
We're gonna be so snagged now though. Fucking line's never coming undone.
Dude, this is insane.
Dang, I've never seen that before.
Let's get this.
What is happening?
So
Dude, I got
they
it.
both hooked up on this fish. Like, it was both of their baits were in this thing's mouth, and this is a solid
That's a
2.5
3-pounder. That's
3-pounder.
3.
Let me see.
I'm gonna go out 252. Ben, hold up your prize, and then I'm bleeding again. Ben! God damn it, dude. Dude, that was so cool.
Son of a bitch, son.
Just hold it.
Okay.
Ready?
Wait. You gonna wait?
Are you sure it's gonna? Told you 2.5. I said
You were
2.52.
0.01 away. 251.
Not a bad fish.
No,
Especially
no,
for
no.
this spot. I mean, you caught one and he caught one, so technically it's 2-1. You guys both hooked into that fish.
I have a fish on.
Do you actually?
No, I have a fish on.
No way, dude. He was just sitting down, and that's a big fish too. That's like.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Boys, this is insane. Dude, think of what we doubled up on.
Oh my god.
gosh.
Oh,
Let's go.
My line was literally just
He
sitting
choked
in there.
it. Here.
Look at
Hold
this.
the camera. I'll get
He
this
choked
out.
the
my
hell-
gosh.
He choked the hell out of that.
Yeah,
I was just sitting right in the middle because I
down
ran.
his throat. And then it got taut, and that's when he started.
Well, I know. What I heard
God.
is I heard the big. I heard the splash.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Because he realized he was hooked.
Dude, this is not a good hook set though.
Well,
Like it's.
Tony, I went
On?
through one. Yeah, let's.
Dude, let's get a picture on.
All right. My thumb is just gonna start bleeding nonstop. These dudes are feisty.
Here.
These
Be
bigger
strong.
ones?
Yeah, they are.
I bet, dude. We're gonna get a picture. This is going on. Oh my gosh, dude.
That
Look
one's
at that.
bigger.
2.5 pounders.
This is probably 3-ish.
That's definitely 275.
Here,
All right.
Tony, here. Am I getting?
So 3 people caught 2 fish in about a minute.
We'll just say-
Just wait.
Here, I got it. I got you. Hang on.
One of the craziest Gulpers TV moments we've had ever. First of all, Ben and Jake hooked up on the same fish, and it ate both of theirs. It's not like one of them snagged it or anything like that. It legit had both of the worms in its mouth. Then, while we were figuring that out, Nolan's line just had a splash, and he had a fish on. His bait was just sitting in the water, and some bass must have been just cruising through, saw it, and ate it. Like, that, it's crazy. And I mean, we're just getting started, which kind of puts it 3-1. Nolan has 1, Ben has 2, and then Jake has caught 1 for us. So I'm gonna have to get on these fish if we want to win this thing here. But it's finally a good day. We're finally catching fish. This isn't a 2-1 Gulpers TV bass fishing challenge. This is a good challenge. We're catching some fish. We're getting some good content out here today. Got him. Oh. Dude.
Dude, I don't know what to do, Tony.
I'm walking back.
Okay. All right. Yep, I see him. He's right here.
Oh, dude, she's a tank. That's a nice one. Dude, I told you I was flipping it right on top of the thingy, and he blew up on it. 3-2, baby. Come on, Jake. 2. Dude, I saw it turn its body. That's how I set the hook on it. That was freaking awesome. $205.
Going underwater?
The bass factory was slowed down until I had that blow up on the top water, and then that fish right there. I think I might be able to pick it up here, regain the lead from Nolan and Ben. Jake caught 1 fish, I caught 1, Ben caught 2, and Nolan caught 1. So it's 3-2 right now. We gotta win this. Jake and I are gonna clutch this up. We don't know how much time we have left, but we're just gonna keep going, and I'm just gonna keep catching the fish. Oh, primitive technology, am I right, Ben? Fish. That's right. Just walk it back with me. Yeah! Wait, what even happened? Here, I'll just keep. He does not.
Please tell me he has the both in his mouth.
He does.
No, that's 2 points. And that's 1 point for us too.
He does. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't.
mine's just-
It's That's a nice fish.
Yeah, that's a very nice.
Puts it up to 3-3, baby. I was stuck on that tree and I pulled it in and then it just sunk and he ate it on the sink and then I had him. Guys, hey, interview quick. I've caught 2 fish on the TRD rig and it's kind of slowed down for Ben Potts and Nolan. How do you guys feel?
I mean, your teammate. Yeah, the one fish your teammate caught. Kind of only caught it because of mine. So.
Okay, yeah, that's cool. All right, Nolan, how do you feel? It's 3-3. Who's gonna win this?
I am simply because I can work a Texas rig like no other.
He thinks that Guggenbait's gonna save him, but I think I'm just gonna keep slamming the fish on this freaking TRD rig. The Ned rig, baby. Oh, dude, check out this frog. Yeah, it's super small though. Look at that. Just a good-looking guy. Yeah, they were good.
And two, it's almost a little too flooded.
Yeah, it is.
Because it's
so
like
over.
there's so much to
There's
fish.
so much places that they can be. So
That's why I think tomorrow it'll be even
it'll be
better.
good. All right, guys. So that is. Are we gonna call that part 1?
We'll call that part 1. It's tied 3-3.
All right. So it's tied 3-3. We couldn't pull up a 4th. So we're gonna come tomorrow, continue the challenge. But that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you guys next time. Another episode of Gulpers TV.